So I was supposed to go out tonight, and plans fell through, as they sometimes do, and that's okay, because I figured I'll just use this opportunity to show you guys what's my favorite thing to order on nights in like this. Now this is my favorite place. It's called Fish With You, and I got this off Uber Eats. But look at their packaging. Like, this is straight up like a mainland packaging. It's so cute. This is the soup that it comes with. Look at how big this is. Like, this is, it might not look like it, but it's really big for one person. This place is very, very much like that famous sauerkraut place, but I actually think this tastes better. This tastes better. Look at how good that is. Did you guys see that? And then obviously the rice. Even like their utensil packaging is so cute. Comes with a napkin, it comes with a spoon, a toothpick, and some chopsticks. And this is like, that's a deep spoon. I don't think you understand. Like, I need you guys to see this. I got mushrooms, more mushrooms, fish, that soup. If you like swan chai, like basically like fermented vegetables, you're gonna love this. This is so good. I got wood ear mushrooms, needle mushrooms, fish. And they don't skimp on the fish too. They give you a lot of fish. The soup is so good too. I've recently been on like a sour kick. Some vinegar and some fish sauce. This makes the dish. This is the reason why I like to order this at home, because I get to customize the taste more, and I love fish sauce with fish. And that is it. It's simple. It's my favorite thing. Tip that. I'll leave that there actually. And I just use this as a plate, so I don't have to do any dishes. Place that there. That soup is phenomenal. And this is like this is a pretty deep spoon. I have had this dish so many times, like it's not even funny. This place is probably my favorite place when it comes to takeout. And I keep the vinegar here just so in case if I want the soup more sour. Sometimes I'm just in one of those moods. If you're in the area, please just try it. Okay, that's all. I'm going to devour this thing now. Bye. I was supposed to go out today, but it's raining. And I figured since I'm craving Chipotle, why not just make a video of how I used to create Chipotle at home. It's my favorite. Onion, pepper. It was a large pepper, so cut it up, slice it up. I'm gonna throw that in a pan with some salt and some pepper. Cilantro, lime, and some salt. Mix. And that's your rice. Avocados. I personally don't eat the avocado, but my mother's a fan of it, so salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and some lime. Now in that same pan, organic sweet frozen corn. This corn needs nothing added to it because it's naturally sweet. It's nothing done to it. Here we got some oil. I'm gonna add some rotisserie chicken that we bought from Costco. To this, we're going to add some adobo, a little bit of salt, and some sugar, some pepper, chili powder, paprika, and that's it. Quick and simple. Kidney beans that I soaked overnight, and I cooked it with some chicken broth and some adobo. This type of adobo. I'm going to give this lettuce like a rough chop because these are pretty big. Some sour cream, but you want to mix it so that you can loosen it up. Monterey Jack cheese. Here I just decided to go with some store-bought salsa. So this is our spread for just me and my mom tonight. I decided to cut some corners. It's not exactly how I usually make it when there's like a bigger party, but there you go. That's just for my mom and I. Lettuce. And I guess I'll try some avocado. Wow. Ta-da! And now I'm going to just pair it with some sparkling watermelon. Let's try it. I've never tried it before. No, it's not good. Don't get it, it's not good. I figured out why this doesn't taste good. Usually whenever I taste like watermelon-y drinks, it's like a little hint of sour or they add some lemon into it. No, but this is the sweetness, like the sugary sweetness of watermelon, but it has like the Laffy Taffy watermelon aftertaste. I forgot some Tabasco. I use a lot of Tabasco. Don't judge me. I'm just gonna mix it. Put a little bit of everything. Ooh, that's a big bite. Even though I cut some corners, it still tastes really good. My baby delivery. This is what I got. Soy milk. Now, I don't know if you know about this, but when I went back to China a few years back, they had this, and I've never been able to find it since. And the fact that the website has this, I'm so excited. I got 3 Coca-Cola ramunes. Ramune. I don't know, I never had it, so I figured I'd try it. And classic Chinese drink. If you know, you know. I've been seeing a lot of Chinese desserts on my feed, so I figured why not just give grass jelly a try at home. This goes with the Chinese desserts. Sago. And my friend put me on to everydays. I figured I want to try the strawberry flavor. Yeah, that's all.